Hey everyone, Daniel here from Twin Bytes with another quick tutorial for you. And this time it's on how to make a PDF document. I've been asked this a couple of times by a few different people, and it's so easy you probably have no clue. Now the method, there's at least two different methods you can use, and the great thing about this is you can do this from any program. So I'm going to show you how to do that right here. So right now I'm in a Word document. So you can create any Word document or take a Word document that you already have done. And you can simply go up here to File, Save As, and at the top here there's an option. You can give it a name, and it says it's going to save it as a Word document type. So you can click in there and choose PDF and save it. And it's as simple as that. It opens up the PDF file, so it shows it's opened in Adobe. It's got the Adobe tools showing here, annotations and stuff like that. You can do that same thing whether it's in a notepad, for example. File, Save As. Note this does not have a option for the type of file as a PDF because it's just a notepad. But there's still a way to do it. You would go to File and Print, and that may be confusing to you because you don't want to print, you want to create a PDF. But trust me on this, go to Print, and you should be able to see a printer in your list of printers called the Microsoft Print PDF. This has been included in Windows for a while now, and previously, if it wasn't already installed, you could use another printer called Qt PDF Writer. So you can easily download that for free and install Qt PDF Writer, and then you would just print to the printer labeled as Qt PDF Writer. But we've got the Microsoft one built right in, so we'll just use that and go to Print, and then it asks you to save it. So I'll give it a file here. I'll call it Notepad because that's where it came from, and save that. And it just saved it as the PDF file. Although it didn't open it right away like it did with Word when I said Save As, because I went to Print to. But if I go and look at my files here, I can see the Notepad PDF file. And if I open it, I can see I'm in Adobe Acrobat Reader, and it's got the note that I made from Notepad. Just to take it a step further, you can be in the Paint program and make some PDF, make a PDF from Paint. If we go up to File and Save As, we'll have a look at the options here, and there is nothing in here for PDF, so we can't do it by that method. But just like in Notepad, if you go to Print, you will always have the option to print to PDF. So not every program has the option to save as a PDF, but every single program will have the option to print to PDF. So we'll give it a name and then hit Save. So even though you're going to print first, the option is to hit Save after. And we see our Paint PDF file. I called it Paint, but it's a PDF. It's opened in Acrobat Reader, and there is our PDF. And if we were to try just one more, let's look at a website. Maybe we want to turn this into a PDF. Again, going to Print, choose the Microsoft Print PDF, and you'll see that it's got a bit of a preview here of what it's going to look like when it prints it. So it may not look exactly how you want, but again, you can also change if you want it in landscape or portrait and all pages, or you can choose what pages and so on, and then just hit Print. And give it a name, and save. So we have our PDF here called website that we created. And again, we're in Adobe Reader, and here's the website. So you can see it's that easy. Any program you can possibly imagine that you want to use, and use the right program for the job to create what it is that you want to have that look for the PDF. And then just simply print the PDF or save it as a PDF if it has the option to save as a PDF. That's it for this quick video. I hope you did find it helpful. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell to be notified every time I come out with a new video, so that way you don't miss any of these helpful videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.